Hey friends, so my Oral Skills 4 class is doing metric modulations with tuplets now, and so I just wanted to give you a quick video on how to execute that. So before trying to read any of the rhythms with that, you want to figure out what the modulation is going to feel like and sound like, and hopefully you'll get good enough at it that you will be able to do it on the fly. Look at this first example, which is entirely in 6/8, but the meter changes, the tempo changes right here, and I don't know if that's clear enough on your screen, but what I said is that the quadruplet, eighth note in the quadruplet is going to be equal to the new eighth note. So you have to quickly, while you're executing this quadruplet, feel what the tempo is and create that as your new tempo. So this first exercise would sound like 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 E and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. You see how that works? Should we do it again? Here we go. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 E and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. You see that I didn't just get faster, I got precisely faster. Let's try this next exercise, which is 2/4. It goes from 2/4, stays in 2/4 the whole time, but we're going to use this triplet. Again, it's too small probably to read on the screen, but I say that the triplet eighth note now becomes the new eighth note. So let's try that. So we're starting from the beginning, and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. That's almost like the exercises where we went from compound to simple. But you have less time to get that new note value in your brain. So then, for the trickier ones, we might have something like a quintuplet. Okay? And again, I've specified that the quintuplet eighth note becomes the eighth note of the next 2/4 bar. So let's try and execute that. So here we go. 1 and 2 and 1 and hippopotamus ta 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 ta. Well, that was terrible, but I'm going to do it again. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 1 and hippopotamus 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and. So the quintuplet became the basis for our new tempo there. In any of the exercises that you're seeing, where you have more complex rhythms obviously going on, first break down what the tempo transitions feel like, and then try and read the rhythms within them. This is the framework, and the rhythms that you see are the things that are happening within this framework. Okay? So that is the key to succeeding in this exercise. Good luck.